Hey Earl, it's Stephanie. I wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you what your competitors are doing and what it would take to beat them. So the three things I wanted to go over with you are content, citations, and backlinks. So when we search for Auto Paint Shop Savannah, GA, we're going to skip past Yelp, and the first guy we find here is Mako. And if we go a little bit further, the second guy we see here is Joe Hudson. So when we take a look at their website, we see that Mako has an okay amount of content on their homepage. They got probably about 700 to 800 words. And then Joe Hudson doesn't have a whole lot going on. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. In Google's eyes, content is king. So both of these websites are very easy to beat in that aspect. The next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. And a backlink is really just one site linking to another site. And so that is a main factor of ranking here in the organic section. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. When we look at Mako, we see they have 29 referring domains, giving them 173 backlinks. Also, the UR and the DR right here, this tells pretty much Google, this is how Google views your site. So this is the trust in their eyes, and this is the power. So they actually have pretty good rankings. Ideally, these will be double digits, and they'll be pretty close to each other. We see that 55 is a very powerful site. Checking out Joe Hudson. We see he only has 2 referring domains, giving him 2 backlinks. His trust is okay, and his power is pretty good as well. So both of those are, this is very easy to beat, and the other one will take a little bit of time, but definitely beatable. So I wanted to go and show you the search volume every month, just to give you an idea of how many people are searching every month for auto body and auto paint. So we see here that Auto Body Shop Savannah, GA has 150 searches every month. Body Shop Savannah, GA has another 200. Auto Paint Shop Savannah, GA, another 80. Let's see. Paint and Body Shop Savannah, GA, 10. That one's pretty low. Savannah's Best Paint and Body, there's another 80. So you can see there's, over 400 searches a month for people looking in your industry. So if you're not being found for those keywords, then that's obviously business you're missing out on. So let's go back to the map pack. We see here that you are in, I believe, the 7th position. So, ideally you'll be in the top 3. That's the goal here. And so one way, there are multiple ways to rank here, but one way is ranking here. So if you start being found here and you're moving up, then naturally you'll move up in the rankings here as well. And another ranking factor for the map pack is something called citations. And citations are just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. So what we always do is just add 350 citations to your Google My Business listing to pretty much beat your competition by a landslide. So those are the few things I wanted to talk to you about. Just to do a quick recap, content is king in Google's eyes, so definitely getting lots of keyword-rich content added to the homepage of your site. Also, with the design factor, we can pretty much build it however you want. So if you weren't interested in the sites I sent you earlier, it can be designed to however you like. Next thing was the backlinking. Definitely want to get good relative backlinks pointing back to your website, so that way you can be found down here in the organic section, and then go ahead and get some citations added to your Google My Business listing so you can be in the top 3 positions. All right, Earl, that is all I got for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out, and thanks so much for watching.